Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this hexagon pattern. Let's open a new document and set the fill to none. Next, select the polygon tool and draw a hexagon in the center. Let's rotate it by 90 degrees. Next, go to View, Guides and select Make Guides. Now switch to the pen tool and draw a straight vertical line from the center to this anchor point. Click away to deselect. Draw another line from this anchor point to this one. Select both lines and then double-click on the blend tool. Set the spacing to specified steps and change this value to whatever number of lines you would like to make between the existing two lines. Next, either press the Ctrl, Alt and B keys on your keyboard to make a blend, or go to Object, Blend and choose Make. Next, open Layer 1 and either lock this blend layer here, or press the Ctrl and number 2 keys on your keyboard instead. I would highly recommend to learn this keyboard shortcut. Select the pen tool again and let's draw another two lines. One from the center to this anchor point and another one from this anchor point to this one. Select both lines and like we did previously, press the Ctrl, Alt and B keys on your keyboard to make a blend. Let's lock this blend layer as well. Finally, let's create another blend on this side. Draw a line from this anchor point to the center and one more line from this anchor point to this one. Select both lines and make another blend. Next, either press the Ctrl, Alt and number 2 keys on your keyboard to unlock everything, or do it from the Layers panel. Press the Ctrl and semicolon keys to hide the guides. Next, we'll create this pattern. First, select everything and then go to Object and choose Expand. We only need to expand the object. Next, go to Object, Repeat and choose Grid. Let's adjust the grid repeat so everything fits tight. To do this, open the Properties window and decrease the horizontal spacing in grid. Let's change the grid type to Brick by Row and adjust the vertical spacing in grid. To make your design more dense, first scale the grid repeat object and then extend the sides to match the size of your artboard. To apply a different color, double-click on one of the cubes to open the isolation mode and now choose a different color. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.